Hi everybody, just waiting for enough number of people to join in before I can say hi. So just waiting for a lot of you to come in. And if I see a considerable number, I'll probably start. Hi Sahil, Hitarth, Rohind, Rashid, Dali, Zunaira, Pavim. Hi guys, hello so much. Hi, been a bit of a slow, quiet week for me too. Just been caught up with a lot of stuff at home. I'm sure so are y'all. I'm sure a lot of you tuning into this live chat are also busy with work in the house as well as your office work. So I know it is that kind of a situation that we're all in. Hope everyone is keeping safe. Hope everybody is fine. I know there have been a lot of positive responses from all of you regarding these chats that we're doing, because as you know, as the patients obviously as the days carry on in lockdown, we tend to obviously become a little more impatient. So obviously the request is for all of you not to be impatient, because of course we are bringing as many interesting chats and people to have conversations with for you to listen in and give your feedback, your questions, and also be in some way a part of these interactions. So thank you for being a part of that. Welcome to Unburdened Lions with me, Rupa Ramani, and of course today is someone who could be new to the CSK squad and the setup, but is definitely not new to cricket, IPL, and the format. He's been around for many years, doing a trade that is very difficult to sustain, but he's also been completely a rock star in that, and a very interesting, casual, very relaxed, calm person of the field. Whenever you have a chat with him, Piyush Chawla, of course, joins us for our session today. I'm sure you will be just as excited to ask him some questions. He'll be quite fun to chat with. I know a lot of you are waiting for many others also to come in, but it'll be nice to have this conversation. It'll be nice for all of you all to give in your questions too. So I think it's almost 7 o'clock, so I'm going to check if he is online so that I can just add him in. Yes. 7 o'clock. Word of a spinner.
हेलो
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते, क्या हाल चाल है?
All well. How are you?
बस all good यार, same thing.
Late nights and late mornings even now?
थोड़ा टाइम बेटर हुआ है, 4 की जगह 3 हो गया है और 12 की बजे 11 हो गया है, so it's little better now.
It's a little better. Not too bad. Um,
Yeah.
Akshar Patel has come saying Mota bhai.
Hi अक्की भाई, पतला भाई.
Hi Patla bhai, what's up? Yes, I had a conversation with him also a while back. We were just chatting, just trying to obviously check in on everybody, figuring if everyone was okay. But how's it been, Piyush? Have you attempted at cooking just yet?
No, I'm just busy eating.
I wanted to know, because all this lockdown makes people do strangest things. I mean, the ones who never whoever cleaned their houses are cleaning houses. The ones who never ever, cooked are probably trying their hand at cooking. The ones who never tried baking are trying to bake. So I just wanted to know if it's gotten you around to cook.
Well, I'm not. I have to be honest. I have not tried anything different, but I'm getting like a lot of things to do with my son now. I'm learning what all he does, because sometimes what happens, he there are a lot of things which he does which I don't even know. So now I'm watching all that and doing that.
What has surprised you the most about your son in these times that you probably didn't realize he does or he says?
Well, I don't know how many of you know, like there was Ramayana going on DD National. So he was
Yeah.
watching each and every show, and now he knows each and every character of Ramayana at the age of 3. And if he asks you a question regarding Ramayana and deliberately you answer it wrong, so what he does, he'll correct you. And he's like, no, it's not like that. This is the one which character played this one.
That is amazing, yeah. That's quite awesome,
Which is
Piyush.
actually, I was also surprised to, see his knowledge about everyone. Like he knows Ram has got 4 brothers, and then all that mother, all that Ravan के जो भाईचारा है,
हाँ,
he
हाँ.
knows everything now.
वानर सेना सब कुछ मतलब बहुत सारे
He knows
कॉम्पोनेंट.
everything, everything. All the main characters, he knows everything now. So, which is like quite surprising for me, looking at him as 3-year-old kid. Yes.
Yeah. Who's his favorite character?
Lakshman.
Interesting.
Yeah, everyone has that, Ram, but he has this
हाँ,
Lakshman. Reason being, because now he understands. So for him, the most, what do you call, the difficult character to be killed was Meghnad. So Lakshman killed Meghnad, so that's why Lakshman is his favorite.
that is amazing. People, I mean, it's
Yeah,
nice. Kids का ऐसा होता है मतलब they already have like heroes from the time they're kids, and for them their fathers are heroes, and this also forms like a nice like a base for.
definitely. It's like really good. Like this quarantine has done few good things as well. एक तो मैं गोरा हो गया हूँ घर में
हाँ,
रह
बहुत
रहकर.
मतलब टैंक तक निकल गया पूरा.
हाँ, घर में रह रह के गोरा हो गया, फिट भी लग रहा हूँ, अपने आप को फील कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं है तो वैसे आई एम वेरी लेजी टू वर्क आउट, बट नाउ व्हाट हैपन इज व्हेन आई एम एट होम, सो आई वाज लाइक यार क्या करो, चल थोड़ा वर्कआउट ही कर लो.
Very nice. Of course, Piyush, when we announced that today we're going to have this conversation with you, a lot of people were very excited because obviously, many reasons. You've always had been a good performer on IPL. And obviously, forget Team India for a bit. You've been a great performer when it comes to IPL, and also a lot of people were interested to see you in yellow because that's not a
Yeah,
color that you ever wore.
yeah.
Um, were you also, were you also kind of eagerly looking forward to that aspect, like a yellow jersey that you never ever worn?
Yeah, definitely. When the day the auction happened and I got to know like I've been picked by CSK, because last time also I was picked by CSK for yellow, but I went to KKR because of that right to match card.
Haan.
So when this time finally I came to CSK, so I was really looking forward to wear yellow, and when I was at the camp also I was really enjoying it. Like in fact, each and every moment of that camp also I just loved it, and I was very excited. I was up for it, but unfortunately all this happened, so it's okay. Hi,
Uh,
Steban.
yeah, I was just figuring out if any of your friends are coming in, but Piyush, you spoke about how, of course, it's interesting in the camp because you played with almost a lot of these guys before, for the Indian team, especially someone like, let's say, Suresh Raina. In fact, a fan and actually even asked this question. We all know about the bond that you share with him. He's spoken about it. You've spoken about it. लेकिन अभी पूछती है कि और पूछता है, I'm not too sure. Avi asks any funny incident that you can narrate about Raina during your hostel days.
Ah, there are quite a lot, but can't really reveal it here because, when all boys are together, so those incidents are not to be revealed on the public platform, to be honest.
No,
But
but
yeah,
something like,
but but we share a very good, bond because right from the under 16 days we played together, under 16, under 19, and he always, helped me like a big brother, and he's always there to support, and which
hmm,
is wonderful because when a senior player is there, he never behaves as like a senior. He always makes sure that you're playing as a team, as a brother, and it's always brilliant. When
yeah.
somebody like him is around, it's brilliant because the atmosphere of the team automatically becomes really positive, because if you see the way he enjoys each other's others success, which was brilliant.
Hmm. But,
So
uh, but
it's
how are those? But how were those days earlier to have things changed at all, Piyush? Actually, that's another thing that I want to ask you because you've played with a lot of these guys in the Indian team outfit, so for a while. And then now in an IPL franchise, क्या वो change कभी? I mean, is there a change in the way that setup is, for example?
Well, it was like a reunion because Bhajjupa,
Hmm.
Mai Bhai, Rana Bhai, then Jaddu, everyone is around. So it's like, things are looking quite nostalgic because you all played together once, then you dispersed, like I was out of the team, and then you dispersed, and then again back in the same team, we're gonna wear the same jersey. So that will be wonderful.
Yeah. Um, what I wanted to ask you was, did you expect, when we go back to the auction, क्या आपको लग रहा था कि they will go for you again? And did you expect this? Were you told? How was that whole? Uh,
For, well, to be very honest, looking at the CSK, our team lineup, I was not expecting it because already had so many quality spinners
yeah,
like Imran Bhai, Jaddu,
Santner.
Bhajjupa. So there were so many. So obviously, I was not very sure, to be very honest. But once they started going, and I saw, and in fact, in the morning, Ranawai told me that we'll be going for you in the auction. So I was like, okay, but I was just thinking at back of my mind कि यार already इतने spinners हैं, so कैसे? But finally when I
प्यार
saw it,
प्यार प्यार
मोहब्बत बहुत जरूरी चीज है.
No, that's quite cool. Actually, yeah. There was a lot of these images that did the rounds or during the nets also. And one, of course, image stuck, which also, you also ended up putting that on your Insta page, and there was a lot of reaction. Fans loved it. Is when you, Raina, MS were in the nets, and you guys took turns, of course, range hitting. And that kind of stayed. Tell us about that. Tell us about those moments during the nets.
Which one that when we were hitting sixes in the net?
Oh, range hitting is there, huh?
Yeah. So well, मैं बैटिंग करता हूँ, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है क्योंकि if you see my first class record, I've got almost 6,000 runs. So somebody batting at number 8. तो लोगों को कई बार जिनको पता नहीं है उनके लिए it comes as a surprise. Rana bhai obviously knows from the beginning that I bat, and my bhai also knows a bit. But the people who doesn't know much that I can bat as well. So for them it was surprise. So when we were batting, so my bhai was like they were hitting every ball. So he said, "You are not allowed to defend the ball. You have to hit each and every ball out of the park." I said, "I can't hit like you, obviously." He said, "No, try at least." मैंने कहा, "See, when there's a situation in a match, so आप batting कर रहे हो, so I don't have to try to hit. I have to take a single and give it to you. So I'm gonna do that."
So, yeah, go on. Sorry, I wasn't interrupting. Go on.
Yeah, so he was like, आई नो सिंगल तो तू ले लेगा पर मारना पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है करने दो, क्योंकि उसमें नेट्स में ऐसा हो रहा था कि इफ यू ट्राई टू हिट एंड यू गेट आउट, so obviously you have to change. So I can't hit every ball out of the park because for them even the miss time was going. For me, I have to middle it properly to throw it out of the park.
Yeah. No, that was fun to watch. But I've always been curious to ask. I mean, we all obviously ask, match ke dauran, when you guys are batting out in the wicket, what are the conversations that you guys have? We always are curious when we've asked this before. But during the nets, when you guys are there, what conversations do you talk about? When it's obviously not about certain things regarding the sport, what is it that you talk about otherwise?
Well, to be honest, sometimes when you bowl in the nets, so it's just not that you're bowling just to bowl. There is always some purpose behind it. When you go to the net, when you try to practice something, so you go with some purpose. So suppose if I'm bowling, and from last 3 years in IPL, I'm bowling most of the time in the power plays. So I was talking to my bhai. So I was talking to my bhai, like, what exactly you think, what I can do in the power play. So he gives those ideas as a captain behind the stumps with so much of experience. So it's always nice to share. So like when he was also batting, so he's somebody who likes to go straight, who doesn't hit sweep that much.
Yeah.
So he was like, you just make sure that you cover my area and, force me to play something else which I'm not used, which I'm not very happy to play. So it's always important when you go to the net, you there is not a big conversation. Even in the match, there is never a big conversation.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just like hardly exchange of one or two lines. But
Hmm.
those one or two lines make a big difference. Because if I told him, okay, if you're batting, because obviously my by the number what he bats at, he will never come in the power plays
Yeah.
when he's batting. So, but still I try because sometimes you never know there is a batter who loves to bat in the power play and he hits, and I'm
Hmm.
bowling. So who will be somebody like my boy who can hit a long ball and then
Yeah.
play spinners well? So
Yeah.
I can prepare myself accordingly.
Yeah, we saw you and MS actually chatting quite a bit during that time, and and like you're saying, Piyush, काफी उतनी conversations नहीं होती है, match में भी काफी conversations नहीं होती है, and this is what in generally I kind of hear also. But is that how MS normally is as well? Is he a man of few words when it comes to being a match situation?
Yeah, definitely. He's some like he gives you a freedom as a bowler.
Hmm.
He'll be like what you think you can do at the moment. So
Hmm.
if he thinks if he can add something to it and gets better, so he'll just suggest you like let's do this. The result will be better. So even in the practice match which I was playing, so
Hmm.
I've played so much against CSK. Obviously, when I was playing the
Of course. I think अटक गया है 1 minute. Not able to. हाँ, continue. Sorry.
yeah, so in practice match, what exactly happened? Like it's a small, like very small incident, but very important one.
Hmm.
So Renabai bats at number three, and I bowl
Hmm.
most of the time in power plays when I was playing for the other
Yeah.
franchise.
Yeah.
So most of the time, I used to end up bowling one or two over to him.
Hmm.
So I always used to have a different field. So when he came into bat, I was putting that field again. So my boy was
Hmm.
like, "Don't put this one," and he told me to get somebody up and put the other long off back and stuff.
You
And
got him
second
out
ball,
too.
he got out.
Yeah, I remember. You got him out twice, I think.
Yeah, but that was like in power play. Second ball, he got
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
So this is something like very small thing, like small words and small discussion, but makes a huge impact.
Wow, that's nice. And I like what he said actually about how he gives freedom because we know कि बहुत सारे bowlers के साथ he doesn't necessarily do that, especially the younger ones. But of course, he knows you for a while. So I guess with you there is a little more freedom. Have there been situations though, Piyush, ki he's lost his cool or something and he has said things, or has there been such situation that you've seen? If it not for you, you've seen or witnessed.
I have not seen him much doing that, to be very honest. But once or twice, like what happens when you just, he suggests you something because I've not seen him that like on live during the live game. I've not seen that on TV. Obviously, I've seen it a couple of times now. But live games, because if I'm bowling and if he suggests something, so I know he must have thought something about it.
Hmm.
And this, I'll tell you, during the World Cup 2011, I was bowling,
Hmm.
and I still remember I was having a short fine leg for Jonathan Trott.
Hmm.
And Jonathan Trott plays spinners really well, and he plays lap and stuff. So he said, let's do one thing, remove the short fine leg and get it to square leg.
Hmm.
So I just said, square leg, my boy, I don't think so. There's a use. He said, just try. I said,
Just try,
okay.
huh?
And in that over, he got out.
Yeah.
So then he told me that it was just to play on his mind. It has nothing to do with your bowling, nothing, because he thought that place is empty, he can play short. And by the time he realized, he got LBW to me. Yeah, so that's
Uh,
how it is. That's the experience.
yeah, and actually, I enjoy seeing the conversation also that you have because you also have a very casual way of thinking. अभी उतने you're not overly aggressive kinds. You're a very calm way of dealing things, so that also kind of plays really well when you're having conversations with someone like MS. But speaking of KKR and CSK, Piyush, what's the one thing that you think you're going to miss about not being part of KKR?
Well, to be very honest, it was a very good setup there as well. And
Yeah.
I really enjoyed my 6 years there. And most of the things there were like good, to be very honest. And I'm definitely, you can't say I'm gonna miss like that, like yeah, I'm missing KKR, and I'm
But
very
एक
happy
चीज
to.
क्या है? It could be a person, it could be a thing, it could be anything that you will miss.
We used to have lot of like late night sessions sitting in the team room. So that doesn't. I don't think so. It's gonna happen here that much. So that will obviously.
What's the one thing that you will not miss about being a part of KKR? ये तो
I
बताना
can't
पड़ेगा.
say. I can't say it here. And I think you got it.
I know. We'll leave it at that.
Yeah.
What's the one thing you're looking forward to for in CSK?
Definitely bowling at Chepauk wicket
Mm-hmm.
because right from the first year, if you see when I was playing for Punjab for the first 6 years, the wicket was like flat.
Yeah.
मतलब 4 में 40 तो अच्छी bowling होती थी वहां पे. So when I was picked up by KKR, so first year the pitch was spinning and everything. So I was really enjoying. Next year, that relay thing and stuff happened on
Yeah.
Eden pitch.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद फिर वहां भी फ्लैट. वहां तो फिर 220 भी सेफ नहीं होता था.
हाँ.
अब उसके बाद चेन्नई आया हूं तो यहाँ का विकेट आई नो इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स द स्पिनर because the wicket becomes dry because of the conditions and stuff, and the ground is very big. Eden wicket is like Eden pitch ground is like even the miss time goes for 6,
Yeah.
and because of the wicket as well. But in Chepauk, even you have to, if you want to hit out of the ground, you have to play a really good shot. So that I'm really looking forward to.
Of course, and you know everyone knows it. A lot of people know this about you. You spent a lot of time in Chennai also. It's not something that's unfamiliar in some ways. I mean, I know CSK के लिए आप नए हो सकते हो, but you're not a new.
To the city, yeah.
Yeah, you're not new to the city. So, any nice fond memories that you have from the city from your earlier days, Piyush?
Well, it's been 13 years. I'm with Chemplast now, and honestly speaking, that really improved my cricket also because before the season, you really want to play some good cricket. You want to have some good practice. So I always used to come to play the league matches, and it always helped me. The reason being, when you play a team like against India Cements and MRF, they all have quality players. So as a bowler or as a player, you want to play against a quality side, so that you also know that how you are, prepared for the coming season. And the fond memory, if you ask me, so it's one from that league only. We were playing at Chepauk, India Cements versus Chemplast. So obviously I was for Chemplast. And the last day of the match, they required some 200 runs with 9 wickets in hand.
Okay.
So we were having a discussion. So me, Monk, and coach and director of Chemplast. So he asked me, "What do you think?" I was like, "Don't worry, I'll win you the game." I just said it. And out of those 9 wickets, I end up taking 7 in the finals. So that is something I really cherish because it has nothing to do with its IPL or for India or for Ranji Trophy or state or corporate. As long as it's cricket, it's a game of cricket.
Absolutely right. Fair enough. Actually, someone gave a very interesting little, not a stat, but a kind of a figure also early today. Is that the first no ball that you bowled for in IPL was after 8 years of after
9
seasons.
years. In the 9th season, yes.
In the ninth season, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you manage to not do that for so long?
Honestly speaking, free hit has played a big role in that.
So मतलब extra yards जो भी extra yards होता है वो उसमें चला जाता है.
Yeah, actually what happens as a bowler, if you ask me practically, when I bowl a lot of no balls in 4-day cricket in a longer format, because I know even if I bowl a no ball, if it happens, because after 10, 12 overs, you get tired and you tend to push little more and you end up stretching your leg.
Yeah.
But if you bowl a no ball, there is no free hit next ball. It won't make a difference, big difference, unless you get a wicket of that ball. But in a T20 game or a one-day game, 1 run, 2 run makes a huge difference. So you bowl a no ball, देन
That,
उसके बाद
yeah.
फ्री हिट पे छक्का भी खा जाओ, तो that adds up almost 7-8 runs. So when this T20 format started, so in a longer format, my run up increased by 1.5 step. I increased it
Interesting.
just to stay behind the line.
Nice. That's an interesting little anecdote there. But there's one small segment that I wanted to play with you. I'm calling it the last time you did this. Okay. So,
Okay.
so the reason why we're playing this is obviously because you've been a part of quite a few dressing rooms over the years, and as we know, cricket has changed. The time that we live in also has changed from the time
Yeah.
that you all used to earlier. When
Yeah.
we used to grew up watching cricket. So this is what it is. So when was the last time you did something? Okay. So the first one is, when was the last time you signed an autograph? Because now everyone wants to take a selfie.
Uh, Abhi during the camp.
क्या बोल
CSK
रहे
camp.
हो? Seriously? Oh, हाँ,
CS.
those kids are right there at
Yeah, you
the.
were there as well. Yes.
ठीक है. Actually, that doesn't count.
Why?
ठीक है, fine,
You
count. Yeah,
you
count.
asked me about the autograph, so everything gets counted.
Okay, fine. When was the last time you traveled by train?
Hmm.
Before
Almost
lockdown. I know lockdown में कोई travel नहीं हो रहा.
almost 15 years.
See,
Yeah.
which is
15
the what's your favorite train experience while playing cricket? I know there are a lot of memories of playing with teammates and
Yeah,
stuff.
when we used to travel together with the team, and a lot of time what happened, the head office, like the main center for UP cricket was in Kanpur. So
हाँ,
and my hometown is Muradabad. So from Muradabad to Kanpur,
हाँ.
there's a overnight journey, and there is only one train. So one day what happened, I finished the game in Kanpur, and I was coming home. So the train starts around 9:30 at night and reaches here at 7:30.
हाँ,
So I didn't sleep in the train at that time. I was like, यार घर पहुंच के I'll sleep. मैं कहा ठीक है, नहीं सोऊंगा.
हाँ.
7:30 around I was supposed to reach Muradabad, and I slept at 6:30. और जब मैं उठा तो मैं 3 स्टेशन आगे के शहर में था, और किसी ने उठाया भी नहीं आके. It was during under 16 days.
Oh God, hilarious. ये हो सकता है वैसे, किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है ये.
मेरे साथ हुआ है ये.
इस next question का आंसर तो मुझे मालूम है, but I'd still like to know. I don't know if you ever tried it in the past. Did you cook for your son or your wife at any time?
Cooking? Well, I never cooked, to be honest. But वो दूध की बोतल जो रात में सोते में नींद में बच्चा मांगता है ना, वो नींद में भी मेरे को बोलता है, पापा आई वांट बॉटल मिल्क. सो पहले क्या होता था, फोन की टॉर्च ऑन करके देखना पड़ता था गर्म पानी कितना ऐड किया, फिर मिल्क पाउडर कितना ऐड किया. फिर धीरे धीरे इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया अब तो, जैसे व्हेन यू पोर वाटर सो देयर इज अ साउंड, नो.
Yes.
और जब बॉटल भरने लगती है तो साउंड चेंज होने लगती है. तो अब उससे ही आइडिया लग गया कि हाँ भर गया पानी इतना.
Nice one. Okay, there are some couple of nice, interesting questions coming in. I will get to that because there's just a couple of more things here. When was the last time you read the newspaper and not anything online, and not the headlines or anything online? When was the last time you read the newspaper?
लॉकडाउन से पहले तो आई वाज नॉट रीडिंग एनी न्यूज़पेपर, पर अभी आई एम रीडिंग इट. यू नो द रीजन, आई एंड अप किलिंग माय हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स, सो मैं कहा पढ़ लेते हैं.
It's a good way of spending time.
Definitely, so I'm doing that.
Nice. When was the last time you rode a bicycle?
Not long ago, because I got a bicycle at home, so it's not for me,
Training
obviously.
वाली?
नहीं वही मैं बता रहा हूँ, मेरी वो वाली नहीं, वो घर पे जो हेल्प है उसके लिए सब्जी वब्जी लाने के लिए रखी है. तो कभी कभी सुबह सुबह लेके मैं निकल जाता था. लाइक ट्रेनिंग का मन नहीं है कि चल यार आज रनिंग नहीं करनी, तो साइकिल ली और निकल गया.
Very nice. Very cool.
That I do often.
Okay, this is the last one, and then we can take some questions from your fans.
Yeah.
When was the last time you played Uno or Snakes and Ladder?
Uno I never played in my life. I played a lot of Ludo though,
हाँ
online wala. Snakes and
हाँ
ladder, I played around 15 days back with my son.
देखा लॉकडाउन की वजह से वी डूइंग ऑल दोस थिंग्स हाँ पीयूष
हाँ, तो उस वो बोर्ड उसके पास है, सब कुछ है, so I was playing with him. So yeah, 15 days back I played with him.
But team room में or if you're in the team room or if you're like even if it was during the Indian team days or IPL days when you guys are gathered around is there some games that is are there any card games or anything that you guys play
There are a
at
lot
all?
of things like there is TT table, then there is pool table.
हाँ
So there are quite a few things. So I do play pool and snooker, and
yeah I know you like
when when I'm at home in Muradabad, abhi to everything is shut because of this. But when I'm in home, I end up spending 2-3 hours at a snooker club every day.
and KKR में which was the one teammate whom you loved playing pool with
वहां अपने को टक्कर देने वाला कोई नहीं था, कोई भी नहीं था. नहीं, सबने हाथ
कोई
खड़े
तो
कर दिए
चैलेंज
थे.
करता था
हाँ,
कोई तो चैलेंज किया होगा आपको नहीं
सुनील नारायण आया था बॉन्ड बन के एक दिन. So he was like, we'll play five, best of five. I said, okay. The score was
yeah
4-1. 4-1. अब
वाह
तीन घंटे दे रहा हूं तो कुछ तो फर्क पड़ेगा ना. प्रैक्टिस कहीं तो दिखेगी.
Very nice. Few questions from fans, so let's just get that in. One is, how was the night right after your very first auction? Do you remember?
Very first back in 2007, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was, to be honest, it was pretty normal because we were in Australia at that time and we were not watching it. We were not getting the telecast there and we were playing CB series over there.
Correct.
And obviously we were following it online. So
हाँ.
I was just thinking like, I don't know where I'll go. And I was hardly like barely 18 years old at that time. So उस time इतना कुछ पता भी नहीं था कि क्या पैसे क्या और ये सब क्या. When I was picked up by Kings 11, so I was very happy. Oh, Preeti Zinta.
Obviously, yaar, movie star, everybody would be excited.
Yes, so I was very
Shah
happy.
Rukh
I was
Khan.
like,
Yeah.
Preeti Zinta, yeah, I was very happy.
Uh, that was your first thought. But I want to ask you one more thing. Actually, ये वाले auctions के बाद, you also took a break, right? Vacation. I remember because I remember seeing the conversations that you had, and you put up that picture of you with RP, I think, and also Praveen, PK, and all
Uh,
that. You guys are having a conversation.
yeah, two,
Didn't
three
you
days.
guys 2-3 days back? And I just remembered because I think you, Mohit, RP, MS all went for a vacation. I mean, you
Yeah,
guys landed up being. Tell us
yeah.
about that, Piyush.
Oh, it was somebody's 25th anniversary.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we went for that, and it was like, what you can do in Maldives? Khao, piyo, so. So 3 दिन
बीच
सिर्फ
एंजॉय
यही.
करो chill करो
भी
हाँ
गर्मी बहुत थी, गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा थी. तो मैं कमरे से निकलता ही शाम को 5 बजे के बाद था. No, but it was good trip, good 3 days of fun. Everyone together. We were there as a group of almost 120 people, so it was fun.
a lot of stories were shared with you and MS and
Yeah,
RP.
yeah. We were sitting in the bathroom, and there was one guy who was singing that went viral.
Very nice. Good stuff. Kittu asks, who's the toughest batsman that you've ever bowled to in the IPL?
In IPL, um, there are quite a few who are like tough to bowl at, to be very honest. But I find tough if you say somebody like Virat, because he's somebody. If you as a bowler you want कि अगर आप अच्छा बॉल डाल रहे हो तो वो डॉट बॉल मिले. But Virat or not only Virat, Rohit, all these players, what they do is good balls they take a single and a bad ball they 100 definitely turn it into a boundary. So Virat, Rohit, there are quite a few.
Any non-Indian cricketers that you have seen as a challenge for you when you're bowling?
In IPL particularly or overall, if you say?
You can say overall also. Whatever you,
Yeah,
I mean,
Jack Callis was tough to bowl at. I find Jack Callis staff.
Nice answer. Someone else asks, which spinner were you really keenly looking forward to bowl alongside in CSK? Bowl
In
with.
CSK, I'm like really looking forward to bowl with everyone like Jaddu, Bajupa, because if you see practically, 4-5 spinner won't be playing in the playing 11. So,
No, I know you can.
so be
Yeah.
honest. So be honest, and whosoever it is, I would love to bowl in tandem. Definitely.
Very cool. I think this has been quite fun. Few other questions actually. Someone's asked if you have any favorite footballer. Do you follow football a lot, and do you have who's your favorite?
फुटबॉल के बारे में बस इतना पता है, बड़ा सा जाला होता है, उसमें बॉल मारनी होती है. I know only
Your
that much.
son could become a footballer in the future. Yeah, you never know. हो
हाँ,
सकता
तो देखने चले जाएंगे. मैं कोई रेफरी थोड़ी बनना है. मैंने तो देखना ही है. इतना तो पता है.
No, it's very nice. I'm seeing if there are any more questions. Favorite batsman? You've just asked who's the most challenging batsman that he's bowled to. I think that he's answered. Obviously, a lot of people are asking about your thoughts of playing under Mahi yet again, which you can actually answer, Piyush. I think you've answered quite a bit about him. You've spoken quite a bit about him, but
Yeah,
your
a
thoughts
lot.
of him leading you again.
Yeah, so obviously looking forward because we all know the way he leads the team. So obviously as a bowler, you really want somebody, somebody like Bhai from behind the stump to support you.
Yeah, and that'll be nice. Of course, बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं whistle पोडो please पीयूष भाई.
सीटी आवाज नहीं आएगी, बस मैं दिखा देता हूँ क्योंकि आती नहीं बजानी. यूपी का हूँ पर लक्षण यूपी वाले थोड़े कम है.
Nicely said, yeah. You can say whistle podu. That's fine. That itself is a good thing.
Whistle पोडू, हाँ.
Actually, few other questions have come in. Few other questions have come in. Two more questions, and we can take this. Krishna Kumar asks, how do you handle pressure? Is there anything that you particularly do, or is there anything that you tell yourself, or anything that you do?
Well, see, the moment you enter the field, there is always a pressure, no matter like which level you are playing at. So best way is to enjoy that. अगर आप उस प्रेशर को एंजॉय करके नहीं खेलोगे तो आपको दबा देगा, और एंजॉय करके खेलोगे तो you'll come over it.
Yeah. There's one more question from Suri. He asks, any interesting stories that you can tell us from the Indian team dressing room during the time that you were part of it?
No story as such, to be very honest. एक ऐसी कोई स्टोरी नहीं है, to be honest.
Yeah, for ambience कैसा था? How was the mood like? Who used to be doing what in the dressing room, or who would like listen? I mean, maybe if you can set the ambience for us, how it was during that time.
Well, everyone has a different way of preparing for the game. Okay, like everyone has a routine to follow. So when you just when I was playing for India at that time, so I was like one of the youngest member because all the legends were around. So I just used to go, अपना नीचे देखा, जूते पहने और बाहर भाग जाता था.
Were you always nervous around these guys initially?
Well, obviously when first time I entered the dressing room as a team member, so I was, but as we all know, everyone is like such a wonderful human being. They're always there to support you, and they just make sure that you don't have those nerves. So they always make sure you're feeling good.
Awesome. Superb, Piyush. Thank you so much. Seriously, it's been great. You should end this with a few Tamil words, yaar. कुछ तो
Tamil
मतलब अपने
words?
CSK fans से. हाँ.
आपको तो पता है, मेरे को पता है जो.
नहीं. अच्छे वाले, सुशील वाले तमिल वर्ड से एंड कर दीजिए ये सेक्शन. Not what we spoke about during. No.
Yeah. What all I know? Jill Tanni.
Jill Tanni is amazing.
Yeah, it's very hot, no? So we need Jill Tanni. And then
Correct.
what else? When I was playing for Kempla, so obviously I learned when I was trying to Nalla Podre, Minnadi Ad Pode, Pinnadi Ad Pode. and yeah, all those
Fantastic.
things. Yeah,
Very good. And you know Macha also. You can say
much.
Pakla Macha.
What
We'll see you soon.
pakla?
Pakalam means we'll see you. So you can say Sikram Pakalam. We'll see you soon, Macha.
Seagram macha.
Pakalam.
And what else? Vanakkam macha.
There you go, Piyush. Matlab, you're set. Life in Chennai will be easy.
I don't know if the life is set or not, but nobody can, you know, swear at me in Tamil.
Yeah, because you know them all.
I know everything about it.
No, it was very nice, Piyush. As always, very nice talking to
Same
you.
here,
And let's
same
hope
here.
that and let's hope that we really meet soon. And let's hope all of this settles down soon.
Definitely, definitely. You take care, have fun.
You too. Lots of love to your family. See you
Thank
soon.
you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'm sure that was a very interesting session. He is quite someone who keeps to himself. Thank you for all your questions. I managed to take whatever you guys asked. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. And of course, do stay on to all the updates that you're receiving from the Chennai IPL and my pages to see who's next. But of course, till then, have a great weekend that's coming up. Of course, have a great week, and we'll see you soon.